हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप। आपने अब तक मेरे थोबड़े को देख के ये तो समझ ही लिया होगा दैट आई लुक स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड एंड नो पॉइंट्स फॉर गेसिंग। एंड मैं क्यों हूँ ऐसा? आई मीन दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. That's probably my rant. More than rant, this is something I just want to share with you guys because I am facing this and I'm sure most of you do. So correct me if I'm wrong. There's a difference between being insomniac and being someone who's not able to sleep at night. I'm not an insomniac because I'm able to complete my sleeping cycle, as in I sleep a lot but I do not sleep at night, and that is something I'm sure a lot of us face, and this is something we do not talk much about. If you happen to be an uncle or an auntie, अगर आप uncle auntie हैं तो please इस वीडियो को मत देखिए. If you happen to be my mother who is watching this video, and I'm sure most likely you're going to do, I'm sorry please. The problem is that I feel jealous of one kind of people, and the kind of people I'm talking about, the people who can sleep as per their own wish, and I'm talking about people like my sister. So the thing is that she can actually sleep whenever she wants, and I've seen her doing it. So for example, if she has something for her schedule, like if she has her classes at a particular time, she can literally sleep accordingly, which I can't do. For example, if I have a flight to catch at 4 a.m. in the morning or 6 a.m. in the morning, so I have to leave house at 5 a.m. So I cannot sleep at night, and I feel like कि अब या तो जल्दी सो जाऊं तो मैं फ्रेश होके उठ जाऊं, तो वो मैं नींद तो आ नहीं रही मुझे, और मुझे 2-3 बज गए हैं नहीं सोते हुए. So now it's 3 a.m. and I'm like अभी 2 घंटे सोने से अच्छा है let's not sleep at all, और जाओ फिर अब sleep deprived होके. That's why my early morning flight experiences or train experiences has been horrible. It's almost common to see people around our generation to be awake. It has become a new normal, and to solve it I'm trying to take certain steps, and the first thing is that I've joined gym. I've started going to gym. तो मैंने ये किया है कि I've intentionally decided to go to the gym at 6 a.m. in the morning. So उसके वजह से I forcefully try to sleep early by 11, and when I go to gym I exhaust my energy. तो उसके वजह से मुझे रात को नींद comparatively अब easily आ रही है. So that has sort of helped me, and I feel like longer run में ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर देने वाला है. There is this whole theory about nocturnal क्या बोलते हैं इसको, the kind of category of people, the genre of people who claim that they function better when they work or when they are active at night. मुझे ना इन लोगों को देख के ऐसा लगा that probably I am also someone and I also fall in that category. So I also started justifying this bad habit of not sleeping at night by saying that I am someone who is more active at night, but as the time has progressed I have realized कि मुझे रात को एक्टिव मैं नहीं होता हूँ, मैं दिन में ही एक्टिव होता हूँ. इसका सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये है कि मैं रात को तो टाइम से सो नहीं रहा हूँ, सो माई एनर्जी इज गेटिंग एग्जॉस्टेड देयर. अब मैं सुबह सोऊंगा, प्रॉब्ली 10 बजे तक सोऊंगा, एंड आई स्लीप फॉर द एंटायर डे. सो दिस इज संडे टुडे, आई स्लीप फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल संडे. सो द फ्री डे दैट आई गेट ऑन वीकेंड आई एक्चुअली वेस्ट इट, एंड बाय द टाइम आई गेट अप it will be evening. I will not have much time and I have to catch up tomorrow for work, which is fucking Monday. I hate Mondays. But this gym thing is actually helping me a lot. Apart from that, I've picked up a book just recently, which is the Naval Ravikant's book, Almanac करके नाम है उसका, कुछ कुछ तो ऐसा ही नाम है. शिट, मुझे पूरा नाम भी नहीं याद. Which just tells you कि मैंने ये बुक कितनी पढ़ी है. I'll just put up the picture here तो आप लोग समझ जाओगे. And I want to point out that there's a trend of making toxic things cool, like smoking and just sleeping in the day hours and being awake at night. It's a new trend, and we are sort of normalizing this toxic culture, and I have a certain amount of following on the internet. So this is my small attempt to tell you that let's not make it normal, let's not make it cool or glamorize this. I am facing it. I also do not sleep at night. I'm not able to, but I want to. There are few long-term implications of not being able to sleep at night. It has your problems which can occur in your digestive system, your cognitive ability, your skin and everything. Your dark circles which is happening. I just forgot to tell you about that. Oh God, how can I miss the dark circles? Under eye cream मैंने बहुत महंगी वाली ली है. That is not helping me, I think. So I think the only solution is to really sleep properly and to improve my lifestyle, which has been fucked, but अब स्टेप ले रहा हूँ और होपफुली चीज़ें ठीक होंगी. that was my confession / video for today. See you next time, guys. Tata.